At a glance, the iPhone 16 Pro Max doesn't look or feel much different from the preceded it, and perhaps that's not to be expected. The competitive game of smartphones is now one of inches. The question is, can the small or even immiscible changes add up to something big? In the early going with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, I'd say the answer is yes. You won't need to play a game to experience this power too, like the A18 found in the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. The A18 Pro has all the juice you need for the Apple intelligence. In my brief experience with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, this is not full-boat Apple intelligence. When the iPhone ships next week, it won't have any Apple intelligence, but an iOS update should roll out next month, and then Apple will slowly seed the rest of Apple intelligence into these iOS 18 running iPhone 16 handsets over the coming months. Here is what I did: quickly try to demo iPhone 16 Pro Max phones running a later version of iOS 18. I brought up some photos and navigated to the new cleanup tool. I found photos that Apple had taken and some that others in the demo room added to the phone. In one, I used my finger to paint over offending objects and watched as they disappeared. I didn't make it easy for the phone, and sometimes there was only a partial tiltation. When I used a canned photo with a distinct person in the background, Apple Intelligence Cleanup automatically found and highlighted them. I tapped the screen and they disappeared. It was if they were never here. I tried the writing tools, which I still think are sort of hidden in notes. There are many efforts to change the text to be more professional, more concise, or a total rewrite. This is not a feature I am likely to use, but I suspect some will think it's a godsend. Is this the best iPhone Apple has ever made? Possibly. It will certainly claim a spot near the top of our best iPhone list and maybe even best smartphones. I will offer my definitive take when I finish my full review. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.